Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how to enable and use the Google Chrome flags. So if you want to make some changes in Google Chrome flags option, here's how we can enable that. First of all, just open the web browser on the Google Chrome and just write here Chrome, write a colon sign, then put // and just write here flags. The flag spelling is like this. We need to write Chrome, colon sign, // and then write FLAGS flags. Hit enter. Make sure the spellings are right. So just write this and it will take you to this screen. And here we can make all of the changes, but just make sure that's what you want to do because it is showing the warning that experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose the browser data or compromise your security or privacy. So if this is what you want to do, you can change all the functions. You can enable some of the functions, disable any other functions, or change the default to something else. There are a lot of settings. If we scroll down through it, there are lots and lots of settings. If you want to search any particular settings, you can go in here and just write down, for example, net or something like that. So network issue icons, secure payment confirmation. So this is one feature. So that's all. This is how you can make the internal settings in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.